pinolang manok. We're waiting for it to boil and then we put the papaya and the malunggay leaves. So pag nagkulo, lagay natin ng papaya, di ba? Medyo, pwede mo ikuan yan. Medyo, yan. Ikuan lang, konti-konti lang. Very delicious, rich in protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Carbohydrates from the rice, right? Protein from the chicken, and of course the other calcium, iron from the malunggay. Napakalusog yan.
Sabah ludoy. This is a recipe.
Kunin mo yung pepper.
Pepper.
Doon sa pepper. Saka asin, dali mo na asin na lang. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Ang sarap.
This is delicious.
Stop.
Mana?